The Zoom Phone NetSuite integration by ScaleNorth allows you to quickly make outbound phone calls directly from NetSuite and quickly locate relevant contact records when receiving an inbound call. Here's how it works. When viewing a contact record in NetSuite, you'll see the conveniently located Call via Zoom button at the top of the screen. If we click that button, you'll see that the Zoom Phone app opens with the contact's phone number pre-populated in the dial screen. Further, the call log activity tracking window will open, allowing you to quickly record any relevant details of the call. If the contact has more than one phone number tied to the record, such as in this instance, where there's a main phone and an office phone, you'll be prompted to choose which phone number you'd like to dial. By selecting the phone number you'd like to dial, Zoom will open with the selected number pre-populated. A NetSuite will open the phone call activity tracking window. In some instances, the contact might not have a phone number existing on the NetSuite record. In that case, the Call via Zoom button will return an error that no phone number is available. When receiving a call from outside your organization, NetSuite will automatically pull up the call log record so that you can record any details from the call. It will auto-populate key details, such as the person's first and last name from their caller ID, the phone number they call from, and any other related info it can pull. The Zoom Phone NetSuite integration app also identifies when an inbound call matches more than one phone number in the system. In this instance, Mark and Jennifer have the same phone number. When a call is received from a duplicated number, users will be prompted to select which record they want to apply the call to. When you click Apply to Phone Call, the Log Phone Call screen will auto-populate with that contact's information. Whether you're handling outbound calls or receiving inbound inquiries, ScaleNorth's Zoom Phone NetSuite integration can ensure your team has quick access to relevant records and enhance overall efficiency. To learn more about Zoom Phone NetSuite integration, contact ScaleNorth today.